Hey pal, I've always seen strings as the unsung heroes of programming languages. Especially, Python's got this charm, doesn't it? So today, I want to chat about how to format strings in Python. Not like those boring old languages where if you wanted to show someone ages and names, it was a nightmare. Python's got tools that make your code look sleek and your output neat. Now, remember that time you tried to print ages and names without learning their tricks? You ended up with a mess, right? Well, Python's string formatting methods are here to save the day, transforming that chaos into elegant strings. Let's say you are tasked with printing out a list of friends and their ages and names. In Python, we got fstrings for a start. Fstrings, available since the 3.6 version, are just super easy and concise. You see, instead of writing name is age, years old, you'd literally write f name is age, years old, and Python takes care of filling in the blanks with the actual data. Now, fstrings do wonders for your productivity, but here's a catch. They were only released in a version way after most IT freshers like you and me got acquainted with Python. Still, think back to the time we had to deal with the older ways. Like %s strings and plus operators, right? You'd concatenate strings and variables separately, like John Doe is 24 years old. And here's another classic. We had str.format method. Remember how it worked? You had this placeholder that you filled with data from your variables. So, to print John's details, you'd do something like this, print. Even cooler, .format can handle positions and types, so it's mighty versatile. I can sense you getting curious. What if the ages are decimals or floats? Python cannot differentiate between integers and floats for string formatting. So it's common to see something like 0.2f .format to ensure 2 digits after the decimal point. Now let's step into the time before 3.6 rolled around. Old _ style string and % formatting. Remember our time and how we'd do something like my name is %s and I'm %d years old, and Python would substitute those %s and %d with our variables? And there's this classic one, the % formatting. So, if we had to print info about John, it would look something like print. Now let's take a leap back, when Python had Python 2.6, a world where you could have used %% if the string started with a %. Crazy, right? Let's not forget about some more advanced and niche formatting strings, such as format style templates and A-style hexadecimal color codes. Now, string formatting ain't just about putting stuff together. It's about making sure the output is a breeze for someone to understand. So imagine having to make your strings print out consistently no matter how you are calling it, be it a web app or a print function. That's where these formatting methods shine, One thing, though, Python formatting strings aren't all powerful. They stumble at dynamic changes in format strings, like trying to swap with each other. It's a puzzle, and sometimes, we've got to bend the rules and get a bit creative with our coding shenanigans. Even though the time is now passing, the evolution of Python string formatting has been a fascinating journey. Learning about fstrings, str.format, and other methods gives a glimmer of the progress made. And it's fun to realize how much the language has changed and improved just for our convenience. One last bit, though fun, ever tried formatting strings in ways that kind of stretched Python's capabilities? Like creating string templates or even handling time formatting with precision. Crazy, huh? But that's the beauty of coding. There's always a way, a workaround ready to be discovered. So, my friend, as we dive into these tales of string manipulation, remember Python's got a tool for every task. You just gotta know which tool fits the job best, don't you think? Now we've covered strings pretty well, from the rudimentary ways of combining with plus operator and concatenation to the more elaborate methods of dot format and f strings. Whether you've wielded these methods to handle numeric values, dates, or even some unique formatting requirements, the journey has been nothing short of riveting. And the knowledge gained? Well, it's a testament to the versatility of Python in simplifying complex tasks into single lines of code, making it a joy to write and maintain. Let's not forget the importance of reading and understanding the code written by others. Analyzing the formatting styles of experienced Pythonistas has provided insights that have undoubtedly elevated my own code. So if you stumbled across elegant code utilizing string formatting techniques, give it a peek. It's like learning from the best, and, who knows, perhaps we'll incorporate a few tricks of theirs in our portfolios too. Finally, remember, while the focus has been on the mechanics of string formatting, let's not ignore how it harmonizes with the rest of Python's functionality. Integrating formatting strings into data processing, especially, demonstrates just how indispensable string manipulation is in the grand scheme of things that we, as IT freshers, delve into daily. Hey, this was a whirlwind guide, huh? Made it all the way from basics to beyond the present, discussing string formatting in Python. Did you find it engaging or refreshing? I sure thought so, and I hope you did too. Remember, Python is a vast world, just waiting to be explored, with every string formatted. Happy coding, my friend, and do consider dropping by at neeraj.qzz.io to subscribe to TechLab. You're all set to join a community that'll keep you in touch with the latest coding trends and practices.